आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू वन स्टोरी। एक बार क्या हुआ था, एक राजा था चाइनीज़ का, चाइना राजा था। तो उसने एक कॉन्टेस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज किया। उसने बोला दुनिया का जो सबसे बड़ा झूठ बोलेगा ना, इस दुनिया का जो सबसे बड़ा झूठ बोलेगा उसको मैं सोने से लाद दूंगा। जितने किलो का वो होगा और उतने किलो का उसको सोना दिया जाएगा। तो देश भर से अलग अलग राजा आए, बहुत सारे लोग आए और बोले कि सबसे बड़ा झूठ बोलेंगे। तो एक एक करके सब एंटर करते गए चैम्बर के अंदर, सब झूठ बोल रहे थे। तो किसी ने कोई झूठ बोला, किसी ने कुछ बोला, किसी ने बोला कि मैंने इतनी बड़ी शार्क देखी, किसी ने बोला ये देखा, किसी ने बोला कि वो देखा। एंड में जाके जब फंक्शन ख़त्म हुआ, 3 दिन तक वो कंपटीशन चलता रहा। जब वो फंक्शन ख़त्म हुआ, कंपटीशन ख़त्म हुआ, तो पता चला कि एक इंसान को अवार्ड दिया गया है सबसे बड़ा झूठ बोलने का। तो सब लोग क्यूरियस थे कि यार ऐसा उसने क्या झूठ बोला कि जो इसको इतना सारा सोने से लाद दिया गया। तो लोग उसके पूछ रहे कि भाई क्या झूठ बोला। तो उसने झूठ ये बोला कि मैं जब यहाँ पर आ रहा था ना कंपटीशन के लिए, तो मैंने 2 औरतें बगीचे में चुप बैठी हुई देखी थी। सो दिस, ये कहानी मैंने इसलिए बताया कि देर आर मैनी पीपल, दे आर स्पीकिंग कॉन्स्टेंटली इन द स्पीच। इफ गाइज समबडी इज गिविंग स्पीच और समबडी इज परफॉर्मिंग, मेक श्योर दैट यू डोंट मेक नॉइस वाइल गिविंग। इट बूस्ट इट, वो थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस लो करता है जब आप बात कर रहे होते हैं और कोई यहाँ पर स्पीच दे रहा होता है या बोल रहा होता है। तो मेक श्योर दैट वाइल गिविंग स्पीच और बाय परफॉर्मिंग you stay silent. That will be helpful to that performer. So next I would like to invite Srishti for her speech. Clap for her, guys.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope that you all will be carrying a lot of memories from today's annual day function. I want to take few moments to express my sincere gratitude to our 4 key pillars who have made a significant impact on my journey. I had the privilege to be the part of every teacher's class, but I am enrolled in the classes of Ashish sir. Ashish sir, thank you for always motivating me. In my tough situations, I have not only learned grammar from you, I have learned how to always be calm. Your patience, your kindness, your guidance, your support have always encouraged me. It is not just because of the subject matter, but because of the infectious energy and joy you bring to the classroom every single day. Your patience, your kindness, and your ability to make complex concepts simple are really gifted. And now I would like to share my experience with Pushu sir. Pushu sir, I am really grateful to have a teacher like you. You have taught me that success is not just about achieving our goals, but about the person I became in the process. You have shown me that with the hard work, determination and resilience, I can overcome any obstacle. You have shown me that with the hard work, determination and resilience, I can overcome any obstacle. Thank you for being more than just a teacher. Thank you for being more than a mentor. Thank you for being a role model and a source of inspiration. You have taught me that thank you for believing in me even when I did not believe in myself, and I will always be grateful for the powerful impact you have been on my life. And thank you for I will always be grateful for the powerful impact you have been on my life, and thank you for giving me such type of motivation which I have never experienced and which I have never expected from my teachers. And I will always carry the lessons you have taught me throughout my life and always be grateful for the impact you have been on me. Last year in the month of April, I had the chance to be the part of Madangir branch, and there I met with 2 teachers, Gagan sir and Jeet sir. And now I would like to share my experience with Gagan sir. Gagan sir, it's my honor to express my sincere gratitude for being your student, and Gagan sir, I'm honored to express my heartfelt gratitude for the profound impact you have been on my life. You have inspired me in ways that arrive the classroom. You are the shining example of the power of education and the impact one person can have on others. I aspire to follow in your footsteps and make a similar difference in the life of others. Thank you for being a role model and a mentor and a source of inspiration. I will always be grateful for the impact you have been on my classes. And now I would like to highlight the highlight of TSC, Jeet sir. Jeet sir, I would like to express my gratitude for being a student. This has been my dream to study from you. You have not only given us knowledge but have also encouraged us for learning. Your willingness to help as a teacher, and today I am confident that we will continue to make a positive impact on the world. And I would like to share something before this institution. This institution is not just my legacy, it is our shared legacy. It is the legacy that we are building together, bricks by bricks, students by student, and I am confident that together we will continue to make a positive impact on the world. Thank you.
It requires a lot of courage to come on the stage and deliver such a speech. So आपके तरफ से तो जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए for Srishti and Pooja. They did their level best. Anybody can forget, it's not easy to prepare such a lengthy speech for teachers for institution where they have been coming for almost a year. So they have done their best part. So always appreciate. We'll move.
Anything about that Sunday thing also which we did? What's your opinion about it? First, I want to know. I have a slightly different opinion. The person who impressed me very much with talk is Sunil.
And please do share this information with someone who is in need. Maybe someone is looking for this kind of online class. If it is possible, please share this information with them. Thank you so much.